make a video here real quick. 67 Chevelle, 396 4-speed. Her shifter. What all you got to go with it, Wild Bill? It's got new disc brakes.
Whole front end's new. Big block springs are new under it. It's got all the glass, new windshield, new back glass.
And the motor's new or rebuilt or what?
Motor's rebuilt. All the AC stuff's been rebuilt, new heater core.
You bought that shifter from where?
Excuse me?
The center console.
I bought that in Daytona. I got $500 in that console. It's an SS 4-speed console with a clock in it.
And
the dash has all been redone over there.
Yeah, we got the dash. It needs floorboards. Yep. Passenger and driver. It needs a trunk. It's gonna rust around here. Rust here and a little bit here. A little dent there. Got all the hubcaps. How is it much? You got this.
Got all new tail lights, all the chrome for it.
This is the original dash here. 39,000 original miles. Could be 130. Could be 230. Got a 57 Ford. What do you call this? Tubbed out?
It's C-notched.
C-notched, yeah.
With a four link under it, on the rear end there, all the links.
They said the steps are good. Just gotta get something on this rust pretty quick. It's gonna be going to hill. It's got a Lincoln
Crown Vic front end.
Crown Vic front end under it.
Yep. Frames been boxed in here.
Oh yeah, support that. That's the rear end for it. The doors. You got these tires for the pickup truck. It's got a digital speedometer for a Bel Air.
57 Bel Air. Wood grain inserts for it.
We got the bumpers up here with a Chevelle. Where's the, that's the rear one. Where's the front one?
That's the rear. I got another building here. I opened it up.
The front one. New motors. Got the battery. That box has been rebuilt. It said. Got this old Falcon. Kind of rough. Our battery's getting weak. See if it'll hold out. This is the pickup bed. 57. Got the bumper, the grill. What's in the bumper? I got the grill, the header panel, drive shaft springs. Inside the bed's been made it go in that frame over there. There's the hood. Says so. Got a tailgate. Seems like we crushed some of these over the years. There's the front bumper there. There's the front bumper. Falcon. No big deal. Rust on the tailgate. Bang on the side. Camaro with a bad motor. Needs paperwork. That's a new front bumper too.
It's not new, but
Looks pretty new.
pretty good shape. In good shape. You got a dent in it.
Oh yeah. Dent and scratch. Scratch and dent. You got another set of doors with glass in them?
Yep. Yeah, that's what he said.
Need a big building to put all this stuff in. All these buildings here. You got them all full?
Yeah, they're all full. That one's full of motorcycles.
Over there?
Yeah. The Chevelle goes back in that hole. The Buick needs to be in there getting painted.
Are you doing paint work here?
Yeah.
A little bit?
Yeah.
Crank this thing up again.
Crank it up.
Thing's sounding good.
This is removed, bro.
Lift that hood up.
That's
383. Grand Sport.
nope.
AC. Oh no, that didn't have no AC, did it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
I don't have it hooked up.
took it off.
Tell me don't pass 160.
It's got manual fans on it
Yes.
and
And,
electric. It runs about 160 on a hot day.
Mile an hour or temperature?
It depends on how hard you hold it.
Now we've been out street racing with it.
Yeah, it runs.
It goes pretty
Is
good.
that the one on the video?
Yeah.
This one runs, buddy.
Bobby's fenders got some rust on them. Had to be fender cut on. I guess you have to do door panels on this thing.
Watch out on that door.
But yeah, never mind. Doors just stuck up there for pictures. Does it come with directions on how to put it together?
Yeah, YouTube and Google.
All right, go ahead.
Fingers out the way.
Yeah. Trying to take some of that weight off.
Yeah, I had to do this on all my Chevelles.
Yeah.
Got a new rust panel here.
The one I see shot out bad.
And it's supposed to be a 375 horse. The numbers say 375 horse.
There's HP right on the block. See if we can get a picture of that, huh?
See if you can see a number on that dot there.
Yeah. Yeah.
And clean it off with something. Want some try to clean it?
So you get a picture. You got a picture? Get a camera. Get a picture.
Yeah, but I gotta get some of this off to be able to.
It says right in the casting on both sides, HP. 75 horse.
First piece here replaced. Or it's in there.
I'm gonna have to tell you the numbers. I can read them off to you because the camera ain't gonna pick it up too good. But I can tell you
All right, hold on a minute. Let me finish my video up here for you. What all was in here? The door panels,
Yeah, the old one.
wall bill, tail lights,
Old dog, yeah, the headlight bezels, the old door panel.
back panels, a Hurst shifter. They said that work. Right, ready to read them?
Yeah, you ready?
No, hold on a second. Let me finish.
New grill.
Said